Hey Achievers, it's time to unleash the power within and create a life of your dreams. 2025 is right around the corner and I know you're feeling that fire in your belly. This isn't just another year, it's your year to break through limits, shatter expectations, and achieve absolute greatness. But here's the thing, dreams don't work unless you do. That's why I'm so pumped to share this video with you. We're diving deep into the 7 fundamental steps to make 2025 your most successful year yet. Get ready to unlock your full potential because we're about to embark on an incredible journey together. If you're ready to commit to your dreams, comment below, "I'm ready," and hit that like button. Let's make this the year we've all been waiting for. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's dive right into the first step to unlocking your success in 2025, setting crystal clear goals. This is more than just wishing or hoping. It's about defining your desired outcomes with absolute precision. Think of it like this. If you were going on a road trip, you wouldn't just jump in the car and start driving without a destination in mind, would you? You'd end up lost and frustrated. The same goes for your life. Without clear goals, you're wandering aimlessly, letting life happen to you instead of designing the life you crave. Here's the key. Don't just set vague goals like I want to be healthier or I want to make more money. That's like telling your GPS, "Take me somewhere nice." It's not specific enough to get you where you want to go. We need to get laser focused and define exactly what we want to achieve. Write them down in a journal, create a vision board, or use a goal-setting app. Make your goals tangible, visible reminders of what you're working towards. Now I want to hear from you. What's your #1 goal for 2025? Get specific, share it in the comments below, and let's hold each other accountable. Now that you've harnessed the power of clarity and set those crystal clear goals, it's time to create a rock-solid plan to turn those dreams into reality. This is where we transform those big, audacious goals into manageable, bite-sized steps. Think of it like climbing a mountain. It can seem daunting looking up at the summit, right? But every mountain is conquered one step at a time. And that's what we're going to do with your goals. Break them down into smaller milestones that feel achievable and exciting. Let's say your goal is to write a book. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the thought of writing hundreds of pages, break it down into smaller steps. Commit to writing 1 chapter a month, or even just a page a day. Suddenly, that massive goal feels much more attainable. Grab your calendar or your favorite planning app, and schedule dedicated time to work on your goals. Treat these appointments as sacred. No distractions, no excuses. By setting aside dedicated time, you're telling your subconscious mind that these goals are a priority, and you're more likely to follow through. Are you ready to start planning your goals today? Let me know in the comments below. You've set your sights on your goals and crafted a master plan to achieve them. Now it's time to unleash the power of habit. Because let's face it, success isn't about giant leaps or overnight transformations. It's about the small, consistent actions we take day in and day out that truly make a difference. Think about it. A tiny seed planted in the ground doesn't become a towering tree overnight. It takes consistent nurturing, sunlight, and water to grow into its full potential. And the same goes for us. It's the daily habits, the small choices we make each day that determine our ultimate success. So, what's one habit you can start today that will move you closer to your goals? Is it waking up 30 minutes earlier to exercise or meditate? Is it dedicating an hour each evening to work on that side hustle? Or maybe it's simply committing to reading for 15 minutes before bed. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up for yourself, even when you don't feel like it. So I want you to choose one habit, just one, and commit to it for the next 30 days. What's your one habit for success? Share it in the comments below and let's inspire each other to create lasting change. We live in a world that's constantly evolving, a world overflowing with new information, technologies, and opportunities. And to truly thrive in this dynamic environment, we need to embrace the power of continuous learning. Because the moment we stop growing, the moment we think we know it all, is the moment we fall behind. Think about it, remember when the internet was a new thing? Or when smartphones seemed like something out of a science fiction movie? The world has changed drastically, and it will continue to do so at an even faster pace. So how do we become lifelong learners? It's simpler than you might think. Start by dedicating just 30 minutes each day to learning something new. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses, attend workshops. The possibilities are endless. What are you curious about? What skills have you always wanted to develop? Maybe you've always wanted to learn a new language, master photography, or become a coding whiz. Remember, learning shouldn't feel like a chore. It should ignite your curiosity and fuel your passions. So, what's one skill you're committed to mastering in 2025? Share it in the comments below and let's inspire each other to become lifelong learners. You've set your goals, crafted your plan, embraced the power of habit, and committed to lifelong learning. Now, it's time to tap into the incredible power of connection and build your tribe of success. Let's face it, we weren't meant to do this alone. We all need a support system, a group of like-minded individuals who understand our struggles, celebrate our victories, and push us to be our best selves. Think about it. Who are the people you spend the most time with? Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? Are they encouraging you to pursue your dreams or holding you back with their doubts and fears? The people we surround ourselves with have a profound impact on our lives, whether we realize it or not. So it's time to be intentional about building a network that fuels your growth and supports your ambitions. Seek out mentors who inspire you, connect with peers who challenge you, and surround yourself with individuals who believe in your vision, even when you doubt yourself. Remember, networking isn't just about exchanging business cards at stuffy events. So, are you ready to build a network that empowers you to achieve your dreams? Comment below with Connect if you'd like a dedicated video on building meaningful connections. We live in a world saturated with distractions. Our phones are buzzing, emails are piling up, and social media is constantly vying for our attention. It's no wonder so many of us struggle to stay focused on our goals. Distractions are sneaky little thieves, robbing us of our time, energy, and ultimately our progress. But here's the good news. We have the power to take back control. It's time to eliminate those distractions and create an environment that fosters laser focus and productivity. Start by identifying your biggest distractions. Is it your phone, social media, email? Once you know your triggers, you can start implementing strategies to minimize their impact. Try using website blockers, turning off notifications, or scheduling specific times to check email and social media. You'll be amazed at how much more you can achieve when you eliminate distractions and channel your energy into your goals. So, what's your number one distraction? Share it in the comments below and let's hold each other accountable for staying focused and maximizing our productivity. You've set your goals, crafted a plan, embraced the power of habit, committed to lifelong learning, built your tribe of success, and mastered the art of focus. Now it's time to celebrate every victory and fuel your fire with gratitude. Think about it. We often get so caught up in chasing the next milestone, the next goal, that we forget to appreciate how far we've come. We become so focused on the finish line that we miss the joy of the journey. But here's the thing. Celebrating our wins, no matter how small, is crucial for staying motivated and maintaining momentum. When we acknowledge our accomplishments, we reinforce positive behaviors, boost our self-confidence, and create a positive feedback loop that propels us forward. So, how do we celebrate effectively? It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. It could be as simple as taking a few minutes to savor the feeling of accomplishment, treating yourself to a nice dinner, or sharing your win with someone who supports your journey. Remember, gratitude is a powerful emotion. What's one recent win you're proud of? Share it in the comments below, and let's celebrate together. Congratulations, Achievers! You've now got the 7 steps to make 2025 your most successful year yet. Remember, it all starts with a single step and an unwavering commitment to your dreams. Now I want to hear from you. Are you ready to take action and create the life you've always dreamed of? Comment below with "I'm ready," and let's make this the year we all achieve greatness together. And don't forget to subscribe to Achievers Club for more inspiration, strategies, and tools to help you crush your goals in 2025 and beyond. Now go out there and make it happen. I believe in you.